Today we're going to explain a fully updated method for the latest version of Android on how to fix and recover your phone. We reset this phone, but when setting it up, it gave us the option to access the home screen. What happened? Well, we were going to configure it, and it gave us the option to go to. But we're left with this padlock. You can see that padlock in the upper left corner, which means our phone is still locked. If that's your case, in this video tutorial, we'll explain step by step how to fix and recover it. The first thing we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once we're connected, we'll go to where the screen lock appears and where the Google account is displayed. We'll go there, tap skip, and we'll go to the point where the screen lock appears. We'll tap accept. Also, let us know in the comments what model you have if this method works for you. Did it work for you? If it didn't work, please tell us what went wrong so we can guide you and help you recover your phone. With that said, let's get to where the screen lock appears and where the Google account is located. This is where it all started. We reset our phone, but then we realized that little padlock wasn't going to stay there. You've probably all experienced this with your device. But there's a very easy and quick way. A very simple method that doesn't require a PC. This is a completely PC-free method to fix and recover it. We're going to click here where it says, do not copy. This takes us to the section where the screen lock appears, as we were saying. Here, the screen lock will appear, and we'll also see the Google account that was on our phone. We can see the padlock here, but it gives us the option to bypass it. If that's your case, because it's rare for the padlock to appear and give you the option to bypass it. Let's see if this works. There's the padlock, the option to bypass the Google account. So, if it looks exactly like it does to me here in this video tutorial, then I recommend clicking here on bypass. Let's see if we can see that the padlock on our phone has just been removed. We click here on skip, rarely, but well. This works very well for those people who suddenly get these errors like I just got. We click here, don't copy, click don't copy, and don't copy. We click here on next. Here we're going to click on analyze, and that way we would have our device fully recovered in the easiest and fastest way. As we can see, here we click on skip, which would take us directly to the start.